How's it going, everybody? My name is Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to lock the contents of a Microsoft Word document. Locking the contents of your document can be very handy if you don't want to make any more edits, if you don't want to make any accidental edits, and if you want to share the document with other people so that they don't make any edits. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I have this document, and there's a bunch of words, and I don't want any more edits. So I'm going to go up to Word and Preferences. And then I'm going to go into Security. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click Protected Document and make it read only. And then I'm going to insert a password in. P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D, password. Okay. And then they make you re-enter it. And I will put in the same password of password. And remember, the passwords are case sensitive. Then you hit OK. Hit OK, and then you try to make an edit. Oh, it does not work. So this document is totally locked from edits. And bada bing, bada boom. That's how you do it. I'm Jeff, and thank you for watching.